Welcome back to another Zero DTE video. Today we're going to talk about failure and learning from your mistakes, so stay tuned for more. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description for a 4-week trial. Enjoy.
Failure is inevitable. In fact, in our strategy, we account for failure. And it's not failure per se. Now, there are two different types of failure. One is a good type of failure, and that is that the strategy didn't produce a profit. Now, is that really failure? Or did the strategy basically keep you on the right side of risk, right? Now, there's another type of failure where you abort your strategy, and then you could either end up in profit or in loss. Now, both of those may be opportunities for learning. However, when you end up in profit, that may be setting you up for cognitive biases. And so you have to be very careful there. By keeping to your strategy and then learning from that, you at least have a baseline to understand whether or not your decisions were with a strategy, either validating it or invalidating. If you don't know whether or not you're validating or invalidating your strategy, why have the strategy? So it's very important that you take everything from that perspective, that you want to be disciplined on your strategy, but you also want to stick to it so that you can understand and discern the difference between knowing whether or not you failed for the right or the wrong reasons. So again, failure is definitely an opportunity. And then practice all the time. What happens when you go to a pro sporting event like baseball or football and you get there early before the game starts? What are these elite athletes doing? What is it they're doing? Are they contemplating complex moves and strategies and all that other stuff? No, they're sitting there practicing the fundamentals, the most basic things that you would do as a little leaguer. And that's what the pros are doing. They understand that the foundational principles, the foundational moves are most important, and getting those perfected over time. And so you need to do the same thing as a trader. You need to constantly practice the foundational things over and over and over again. If that means that you need to get onto your trading simulator every night and then just go through 2 or 3 different trades, that's what you should do. I do that, and I've been trading for 30 plus years, yet I still practice every night. That's what gives me the confidence to come into the market and be able to not have to think about situations because they are now tacit. I act immediately to them because they're patterns that I have set myself up with and allow me to then look at and see the complexity that's in front of me. So by embracing uncertainty, you can navigate markets more effectively, make better trading decisions, and improve your overall trading performance. Accept uncertainty as inevitable, focus on profit management, and use a defined risk management. I think that's very important. Use probabilistic thinking. Maintain your emotional discipline through repetition and building your confidence. Be flexible. Keep learning. Embrace failure. And practice. All right, there you go.
If you've enjoyed today's video, please click the like button below. If you like the content, make sure you click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time, guys.